Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 16th of April, 2021. Where in just a few minutes, I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. I thought Fridays, especially in school holidays, were supposed to be quiet. This one wasn't. It was loud. The S&P ASX 200 closed up slightly to 7,064 points, holding on to gains made earlier in the week and finishing at a new 14-month high. For the full week, the market was up almost 1%, led higher by tech stocks, which surged by more than 5%. Newcrest Mining was the best performer among the large caps today, up more than 3%, as gold prices continued to stay high. There was a rush of corporate news. Origin Energy cut its earnings guidance for the full year after it received a ruling that will trigger much higher gas prices for the group. Origin's share price fell 9% after it said an arbitration ruling in a gas dispute with Beach Energy would increase the cost of its gas supply by $40 million this year and $80 million next year. Beach Energy's share price, though, was up by 4.6%. James Packer has done a deal with the New South Wales gaming regulator, which will allow him to keep his 37% stake in Crown Resorts and be allowed to accept or reject an $8 billion takeover proposal for the gaming group, which is currently on the table from PE group Blackstone. But Mr. Packer will not be able to exercise power in 4 other areas related to governance. AMP's share price hit a new record low today of $1.19 a share. The group continued to negotiate the finer details of the departure of Chief Executive Francesco Di Ferrari and the potential sale of parts of the AMP Capital business to US-based Ares Management. Supermarket giant Woolworths has had a strong few sessions on the share market, hitting a new 52-week high today. Its share price is up 13% this year. Iron ore miner Mineral Resources said third quarter iron ore shipments were more than 50% higher than a year ago, but a shortage of truck drivers, in part due to Western Australia's border controls, has dented sales. Mineral Resources cut its full guidance as a result, and its share price tumbled more than 5%. Car dealership AP Eagers said strong market conditions will underpin a pre-tax operating profit of almost $100 million for the March quarter, above market expectations. Its share price rose 2.4%. Mayne Pharma said it had gained approval from the US Food and Drug Administration for a new application for its oral contraceptive, Nextstellis. It's the first contraceptive pill to contain estetrol, a native estrogen, and opens up a whole new market for Mayne. Its share price jumped almost 11% today. And shareholders gave the green light for Coca-Cola Amatil to be sold to Coca-Cola European partners, ending 50 years on the ASX. The Aussie dollar is trading at 77.4 US cents. That's up a touch. Recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 finished the day up 1.1%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.9%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq jumped 1.3%. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 16th of April, 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the weekend edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.